I'm really excited to welcome Vishal Talwar, Senior Managing Director at the Accenture company. So welcome, Vishal.
Thank you, Prashanth. Really excited to be here.
So Vishal, we just discussed like cloud is truly exciting, right? So, but for our customers here, it can be a confusing and challenging journey, right? So what do you see as some of the main business drivers in the world of cloud?
In technology, we are sort of notorious for coming up with buzzwords all the time. But the outcomes that we've always been focused and dedicated to delivering are essentially putting business first on the agenda, enabling and equipping businesses with the right technology, the right capabilities so that they can gain market share and they can operate efficiently. Cloud is now at the center of that transformation and that journey. It is serving as a catalyst for organizations to completely rethink how they drive their digital transformation that every organization had been on a journey for some time. There is an opportunity now that exists for organizations to significantly accelerate using cloud as a catalyst.
So Vishal, I know that Accenture recently announced a $3 billion investment to help organizations transition to cloud. And you partnered with Cisco as one of those key vendors to drive this initiative. So what are some of the benefits our joint customers and clients will have because of this?
Getting network right and having the right infrastructure architecture is going to be central and critical for any client to be successful in the cloud. And what we in Cisco have put together is basically created a dedicated team, joint team on both sides that are looking at not just what the network needs of today are, but what we believe the network needs will be 2 years down the road, 3 years down the line. The demands on network are changing. If you are a multi-cloud or a hybrid cloud or your cloud and you have some on-prem, how do you create a seamless experience for your customers and your employees? Your network can't stay where it was before, and you've certainly migrated all your workloads and applications to the cloud.
That's really true, Vishal. So as our customers are looking towards getting started, right? So what are some of the low-hanging use cases, best practices that they need to start immediately thinking about? And what are some of the things in the horizon that they need to start planning for?
So, when you think about the employee workplace experience today, like that's an immediate use case. Most clients and employees have to figure out for this distributed workforce. And this distributed workforce is again going to evolve as all of us get vaccinated and start to return back to work. And the experience that we've been, sort of now getting used to at home, that same experience is what we will start to expect from when we come back to workplace. So most organizations need to rethink and adapt to what that new workplace of the future is going to look like. And networking and cloud is going to play big role in that. So that's the here and now. The second aspect in terms of, a lot of organizations are already thinking about how does cloud help them run their businesses faster with more agility, more flexibility, and more speed. So think of that as, the supply chain transformations that they have to take place. Think of that as, campaigns that they need to run to become more connected to their consumers and their clients, because the virtual environment hasn't allowed for that in-person experience.
Those are some awesome insights, Vishal, and thank you for sharing those, and thank you again for your partnership.
Thank you, Prashanth. It was a pleasure to be here.